Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb la yafkid to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Nahayun, prohibition. Nahayun, prohibition. We are going to learn how to instruct others not to do something in Arabic using different forms of verbs. The question is, how do we change the verb la yafkid to suit the pronouns below? La yafkid simply means he should not lose. He in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of here, she. So how do we now change the verb la yafkid to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb la yafkid to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach alifun. So the verb la yafkid will now become la afkid, which means I should not lose. Ithnan, number two. Nahanu, we. So how do we change the verb la yafkid to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach nunun. So the verb la yafkid will now become la nafkid, which means we should not lose. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb la yafkid to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb la yafkid will now become la tafkid, which means you should not lose. Arba, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb la yafkid to suit anti? The same principle is applicable. However, we are going to attach ya'un to the last letter. Remember, once ya'un is attached, the letter before it must take kasra, as we know that ya'un is the mother of kasra in Arabic. So the verb la yafkid will now become la tafkidi, which means you should not lose. Hamsa, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the verb la yafkid to suit here? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb la yafkid will now become la tafkid, which means she should not lose. Remember, we use ta'un to talk about a single female person and ya'un to talk about a single male person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mufradun, singular. Muthanna, dual. Jamu, plural. Mufrad, singular. This is a word in Arabic that means only one. Muthanna, dual. This is a word in Arabic that means only two. Jamu, plural. This is a word in Arabic that means more than two. Plurality in Arabic starts from three upward, unlike English where it starts from two upward. Then we talk about mudhakkar. Mudhakkarun, masculine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a male person or a male object. Just like the verb la tafkid can only be used to command a single male person not to lose. So if there are two, all you need to do is to attach alifun to the last letter of the verb la tafkid. Remember, once alifun is attached, the letter before it must take fataha, as we know that alifun is the mother of fataha in Arabic. So the verb la tafkid will now become la tafkida, which means you should not lose. How many of them are you talking to? Two. So if there are more than two, you attach wawun to the last letter of the verb la tafkid. Remember, once wawun is attached, the letter before it must take dhamma, as we know that wawun is the mother of dhamma in Arabic. So the verb la tafkid will now become la tafkidu, which means you should not lose, talking to a group of male persons. So you may ask me, the alifun written there after the waw, what is it doing there? The alifun is only telling you that the wawun written before me is not part of the verb, rather it is an extra letter. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Then we talk about mu'annas. Mu'annathun, feminine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a female person or a female object. Just like the verb لا تفقدي can only be used to command a single female person not to lose. So if there are two, use the same form of the verb لا تفقدا, which means you should not lose, talking to two female persons. If there are more than two, go and replace yaun in la tafkidi with nunun carrying fataha, then you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb la tafkidi will now become la tafkidina, which means you should not lose, talking to a group of female persons. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-istimal, now the usage. Wahid number 1. لا يفقد خالد قلمه في الفصل. لا يفقد خالد قلمه في الفصل. لا يفقد خالد. Khalid should not lose قلمه, his pen, في الفصل, inside the classroom. اثنان number 2. لا تفقد زينب كتابها. لا تفقد زينب كتابها. Zainab should not lose her book. ثلاثة number 3. لا تفقد نقودك في السوق يا أخي. لا تفقد نقودك في السوق يا أخي. لا تفقد نقودك. Never lose your money. في السوق, inside the market. يا أخي, my brother. أربعة number 4. لا تفقدي منديلك يا أختي. لا تفقدي منديلك يا أختي. لا تفقدي منديلك. Never lose your handkerchief يا أختي, my sister. خمسة number 5. لا تفقدا جوالكما في السيارة. لا تفقدا جوالكما في السيارة. لا تفقدا جوالكما. Never lose your mobile phone في السيارة, inside the car. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. ستة number 6. لا تفقدوا حاسوبكم يا إخوة. لا تفقدوا حاسوبكم. You should not lose your laptop يا إخوة, brothers. لا تفقدوا حاسوبكم. Never lose your laptop يا إخوة, brothers. سبعة number 7. لا تفقدنا المسطرة يا أخوات. لا تفقدنا المسطرة يا أخوات. لا تفقدنا المسطرة. Never lose the ruler يا أخوات, sisters. Talking to a group of female persons. لا تفقدنا المسطرة. Never lose the ruler. So you should not lose the ruler. يا أخوات, sisters. لا تفقد هذا الكتاب يا إخوة. لا تفقدوا هذا الكتاب. عفوا, لا نفقد هذا الكتاب يا إخوة. لا نفقد هذا الكتاب يا إخوة. لا نفقد هذا الكتاب. We should not lose this book يا إخوة, brothers. لا أفقد قلمي في المكتب. لا أفقد قلمي في المكتب. لا أفقد, I shouldn't lose قلمي, my pen, في المكتب, in the office. لا أفقد, I shouldn't lose, I should not lose قلمي, my pen, في المكتب, in the office. Remember, مكتب means table. مكتب can also mean office, just like maktabatun. Maktabatun, the one with atta wal marbuta, a round at the end, also means al-maktaba, library. Al-maktaba, bookshop. لعلك فهمت؟ مكتب, office. مكتب, table. مكتبة, bookshop. مكتبة, library. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. Now the comparison between أمر, commandment, and نهي, prohibition in Arabic. واحد number 1. هو, he. ليفقد, he should lose. لا يفقد, he should not lose. اثنان number 2. Here, she. لتفقد, she should lose. لا تفقد, she should not lose. ثلاثة number 3. أنا, I. لأفقد, I should lose. لا أفقد, I shouldn't lose. أربعة number 4. نحن, we. لنفقد, we should lose. لا نفقد, we should not lose. خمسة number 5. أنت, you, representing a single male person. افقد, lose. لا تفقد, don't lose. ستة number 6. أنت, you, representing a single female person. افقدي, lose, you should lose. لا تفقدي, you should not lose. سبعة number 7. أنتم, all of you, referring to a group of male persons. افقدوا, you should all lose. لا تفقدوا, you should not lose. افقدوا, لا تفقدوا, not لا تفقدنا. So افقدوا, لا تفقدوا. أنتن, all of you. افقدنا, you should all lose. لا تفقدنا, don't lose. So لا تفقدنا, not لا تفقدوا. لا تفقدنا for مؤنث and لا تفقدوا for مذكر. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Do not forget to go to the classroom, take your lesson watching a single video clips and revise it using the PDF file below it. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.